particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. Some of the experimental phenomena such as diffraction and interference can be explained by the wave theory of electromagnetic radiation. However, following are some of the observations which could not be explained with the help of even the electromagnetic theory. That is, black body radiation, variation of heat capacity of solids as a function of temperature, line spectra of atoms with special reference to hydrogen, and photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Heinrich Hertz performed a very interesting experiment in which electrons or electric current were ejected when certain metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium, etc. were exposed to a beam of light. This phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. The results observed in this experiment were: the electrons are ejected from the metal surface as soon as the beam of light strikes the surface. That is, there is no time lag between the striking of light beam and the ejection of electrons from the metal surface. The number of electrons ejected is proportional to the intensity or brightness of light. For each metal, there is a characteristic minimum frequency nu0, also known as threshold frequency, below which photoelectric effect is not observed. At a frequency nu greater than nu0, the ejected electrons come out with certain kinetic energy. The kinetic energies of these electrons increase with the increase of frequency of the light used. All the above results could not be explained on the basis of laws of classical physics. According to classical physics, the energy content of the beam of light depends upon the brightness of the light. That is, the number of electrons ejected and kinetic energy associated with them should depend upon the brightness of light. But the kinetic energy of the ejected electrons does not depend on the brightness of light. For example, red light of any brightness or intensity may shine on a piece of potassium metal for hours, but no photoelectrons are ejected. But as soon as even a very weak yellow light shines on the potassium metal, the photoelectric effect is observed. Albert Einstein was able to explain the photoelectric effect using Planck's quantum theory of electromagnetic radiation. Einstein received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. What is quantum theory of radiation? According to this theory, atoms and molecules emit or absorb energy only in discrete quantities and not in a continuous manner. Planck gave the name quantum to the smallest quantity of energy that can be emitted or absorbed in the form of electromagnetic radiation. The energy of a quantum of radiation is proportional to its frequency and is expressed by the equation E is equal to h nu, where h is the proportionality constant and it is known as Planck's constant and it is equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to negative 34 joule second. Explanation of photoelectric effect. According to Einstein, when a quantum of light or photon of sufficient energy strikes an electron in the atom of the metal, it transfers its energy instantaneously to the electron during the collision, and the electron is ejected without any time lag or delay. Greater the energy possessed by the photon, greater will be the transfer of energy to the electron, and greater the kinetic energy of the ejected electron. In other words, kinetic energy of the ejected electron is proportional to the frequency of the electromagnetic radiation. Each photon is possessing a minimum energy required to eject the electron, which is equal to h nu 0, which is corresponding to the threshold frequency nu 0. If a striking photon has energy equal to h nu, the excess energy, that is energy difference equal to h nu minus h nu 0, is transferred as the kinetic energy of the photoelectron. Following the conservation of energy principle, the kinetic energy of the ejected electron is given by the equation half mv square equal to h nu minus h nu 0. That is, the kinetic energy of the ejected electron is equal to h into nu minus nu 0. Here, m is the mass of the electron, v is the velocity associated with the ejected electron, h is Planck's constant, nu is frequency of the striking radiation, and nu 0 is the threshold frequency. This is how the relation between frequency of the radiation and kinetic energy of the ejected electron was explained. Then, a more intense beam of light consists of larger number of photons. Consequently, the number of electrons ejected is also larger. So, this is how the relation between number of ejected electrons and intensity or brightness of the striking radiation was explained.